So, so just to finish that thought, we'd said earlier today, 15-minute chart in play, 30-minute chart in play, everything driving this way. Today we said if we got to 11 and a quarter, that would be T2. Take out the high, at Friday's high there, and try to make it at least a double top, but probably try to get to the 11 and a quarter within one tick of that. So this is a great trade. Anybody that played that rotation, and obviously you could see it in the 10. I mean, clear. This is just a clear chart. Above this blue line, this is the crossover trade. The 15 support above it, the 20 and 30. This is the reversal trade. We said, if we come out, the top here, that's going to be the squeeze trade, trying to get to whatever high. Initial target, try to get to those 6s, 4s, and 6s, and then obviously the 8, previous high there, 8.5, and then obviously the last Friday's high. So if you're using this method and you want to confirm it with the RTH chart, we said if we open up near that 1500, that's going to be a tough trade for the shorts. They're going to get squeezed first. So in this method trade right here, once this 2, remember I said 02, once this 2 doesn't get broken and we come up here, and then we come out the top again, I said to you, I think we're going to get close to that 11 to 12 target. And I said, as long as this 6 area it does not get broken, that's the direction we're heading. Here's your IB high area. So this has been a chop zone right here. And now the breakout. So here's where your support comes in. This is where traders that are playing position on a day like today, this is where you want to add. This 2 is support. You want to add in here. Most traders right in here is now thinking, uh-oh, if we're going to go down, we're going to fill this gap, blah, blah, blah. Well, today is much stronger than that. We're still above that blue line. We're still above the red line. So these are your aggressive trades off the red line, and your position trades are off of this blue line. So no way. That's why I said we're doing a crossover at the open. I said, no way. We're not going down. Going up. How high is up is the real question. That was the big dilemma today. How high? So the lunch squeeze right here, we go no place. Turns out a rabid dog day, kings and queens. Back-to-back days. Now today, we respected yesterday's low, and we've come out the top. So what we said earlier today, originally, at half, we thought if we could get to the 6 to 8 today, we'd probably done well. And then on halftime, when we re-examined our original beliefs, we said, and that was a nice thought, but it's not going to work today. The winning team is going this way. This is the kickoff deep into the end zone, and JJ runs the ball out and, touchdown going the other way. I mean, that's what this trade is. You cannot make a better analysis of today's trade than that run back in the Super Bowl. And all of the shorts who got trapped early, we said aggressive shorts are going to get trapped first, potentially later in the day longs. And at halftime, we said, you know what? These guys are kicking butt. We still haven't broken the blue line, and I've adjusted this blue line. I've adjusted it. We're still not below this line. You cannot go down if you're above this blue line. Impossible. Impossible. And the maturity of a trader is to acknowledge that and make adjustments in your plan. So we got the first part right. We said probably chop and stall. And then at halftime when we say, we're not pulling back, this is a rabid dog day. Zeke is absolutely right. We're going to probably come out the top. Let's tighten things up. 3-minute chart still looking good. A 4-minute chart. Let's adjust it to the 4. That's where this trade comes out, and this is where winners will add and press into this. rather than average in the wrong way. As simple as that. So I hope that this explains to you, why we felt that, once we had this initial rotation here, it's shorts are trapped, and we're back to the same old games that they've been playing. That help? That zero head sight is down. Thanks, Zeke. I haven't even been out much on Twitter today. This is the kind of day where you want to try to get your mind around it. And if you did not play aggressively this morning, I understand how hard it is to jump in at a higher level, but you want to join the winning team. And that's the point of this conversation. If you missed this because you were too conservative and you wanted entry a little bit lower, and it never came, then you have to make some decisions if you're going to play. And you either walk away and say, no, I don't want to play, but at the very least, don't damage your account. That's the key.